guys, this is the camera and I'll open the box. This is the case. I opened it. This is the case. We can keep the camera here and the memory cards over here. This is the brand of Sony. Yes guys, and next I'll open the box. First, before opening, I'll show you the specifications here, which is Full HD 1080, 4K image size, and Dolby Atmos. You'll get HDMI also over here. And as you know, this is a 8.2 megapixel and 10x optical zoom and 20x clear image zoom you are gonna get, and it's a full HD movie 1080p. Let's open the box. So guys, this is the camera. This is the camera, guys. This is the camera. Cybershot WX220. You see the zoom in, zoom out button, capture button, on off button, sound recorder, Wi-Fi, movie option, scrolling option. By pressing this, you can view the images which you have shooted, and these are the menu. And this side you see the multi-port option, where you can connect the plug with this. And next, here you see this charging one. Let's see what inside more. Let's keep this aside. And next, by coming inside, we see here some papers. These are the papers, and this is the warranty paper, 2 years warranty paper we are gonna get by Sony. And next, these are all the user manuals we have got. And next, let's see what's inside more. Now guys, this is another paper. And next, inside, this is the rope where we can keep the grip, where we can get the grip for the camera by fixing to this. I'll show you guys, I'll show how to fix this and how to handle the camera. And next, inside we see this, where we can, this is an adapter guys, where we need to plug everything to this. USB option, and this is a plugging option. And next we get this one guys, where I can plug like this. And next, and guys, this is the camera. This is the plug point, where you can keep directly charged to the camera. And this side we need to plug into this, like this. And let's see what's more inside. Yeah guys, we found this battery here. This is of 600 mAh battery of the Sony, as it's the original one. And next, let's come back to the camera. So this is the camera guys. I'll show you how to keep this rope. You need to keep this like this. It comes out like this, and Yes guys, we finished it. We can hold the camera like this. It is the main safety for this camera. And let's on this. Before on, let's keep the battery inside this. So guys, I'm on the camera. Guys, we got it. I on the camera. It's a nice camera guys, it's a nice camera under the budget. See, I'll take the photo and show you. See guys, it's a nice one under the budget. I'll take another photo and show you. You people can see. Yeah guys, it's a nice camera. You have the movie option also. You can record the films, or you can record the videos with this. With this clarity camera which comes with 1080p resolution. And guys, and the maximum zoom is that I'll show you. You can zoom like this. This is the maximum zoom of 10x. You can go back and you can off. That's it guys, it's so simple. So I'll keep this inside the case and show you how it will be. Yes guys, I kept it. And backside we found this one where we can keep it to the belt or any size of belt like that. So guys, I will post the photos which I have clicked from this camera, and I'll give the sample of this camera video sample. Stay tuned, I'll post it now.